Extraction of soluble salt contaminants for analysis, the Bresel method. Objective: to be familiarized on extraction method of soluble contaminant, specifically salt, for analysis using a simple and inexpensive field method test for assessment of total amount of water-soluble salt, using flexible cells in the form of adhesive patches designed to be filled with solvent, or the Bresel method. Apparatus and materials. Conductometer. Beaker, a convenient size and shape for housing the electrode end of the conductometer during measurement. Adhesive patch, the body of which is made of aging-resistant flexible material with closed pores, example given polyethylene foam, and with a hole punch in the center. Reusable syringe. Solvent, chosen as a function of the surface contaminant to be determined. For the determination of water-soluble contaminant, use distilled or deionized water. Working instruction. Measurements shall be carried out on an agreed section of the block. As per PSPC rule, at least one measurement is required per block. Measurements shall be carried out on the agreed surface after blasting. Still, surface temperature shall be checked and recorded before the measurement. Any cleaning such as wiping with gloves or scrape of cloth shall not be carried before measurement. Procedure. Wear rubber gloves during measurement. Take the adhesive patch. Remove the protective paper and punch out materials. Press adhesive patch against the test surface in such a way that the minimum amount of air is trapped in the compartment in the patch. Fill in 15 ml of solvent in the 25 ml of beaker. Immerse the electrodes of the conductometer fully in the solvent in the beaker. Measure the conductivity of the distilled water and record the initial conductivity or reference value. Fill the syringe with 3 ml of solvent or 1/4 of the solvent contained in the beaker. Insert the syringe needle at an angle of 30 degrees to the test surface near the outer edge of the patch, so that it passes through the adhesive foam body of the patch into the compartment formed between the elastomer film and the test surface. If the patch is in a position which makes access to the patch compartment difficult, bend the syringe needle as required. Without removing the syringe needle from the patch, re-inject the solvent into the compartment and then suck the solvent back into the syringe cylinder. Repeat until at least 4 injection sucking cycle between completed. At the end of the last cycle, retrieve as much as possible of the solvent from the compartment and transfer to the 25 ml of beaker. Immerse the electrode of the conductometer fully in the now contaminated water in the beaker and record the conductivity. Calculate the difference between the actual value and the reference value, which was determined earlier. Conductivity shall be measured and converted to soluble salt limit using the following formula. Record and document the tested surface area. Indicate result if pass or fail, as per PSPC rule. For water ballast tank and COT, water-soluble salt limit equivalent to less than or equal to 50 mg per meter squared of sodium chloride.